Welcome to our channel One to Step, a channel where we post tutorial video to help you fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy a Netflix gift card. And I'm going to be using Amazon to purchase Netflix gift card, but you guys can use whichever website you find easy to buy Netflix gift card, alright? I find Amazon easy, that's why I'm going to be using Amazon in today's video. But before moving forward in today's video, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move on. First step, you want to go to amazon.com, the official website of Amazon. Now once you come over here, what you want to do is search for Netflix, Netflix. Once you search for Netflix, you can choose Netflix gift cards, and it's going to take you to this page. Over here, you want to choose the first option, Netflix gift cards, email delivery. So email delivery means your Netflix gift card is going to be sent under email. It's not going to be a physical version. If you want to buy a physical version, you have to go to the store, the physical store, and buy it, alright? Online, you can only buy the e-gift card, which means the email version. You can choose which design you want and then choose the amount over here. So I'm going to enter the amount. I'm going to go for a $200 one, and I'm going to enter the email where the gift card is going to be sent to, because this is an email gift card, alright? After you write your Gmail over here, enter your name. So I'm gonna enter my name, and if you want to write a message, you can write. If you don't, you can leave it empty, or you can leave it at the default message and choose the quantity. I just want one, so I'm gonna choose one. I'm gonna choose the delivery date. So I want it to be delivered today, so I'm gonna choose today's date over here, 25. And after I do that, I can click on add to cart or click on buy now. I want to buy it now, so I'm gonna click on buy now, and it's gonna ask me to log in into my Amazon account. After I log in into my Amazon account, I need to pay for the gift card. After I pay for the gift card is going to be sent to my email on the desired date. So the date I chose of today, so the card is going to be sent to me today if I pay for the card, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy a Netflix gift card. And after you buy the Netflix gift card, you can redeem it and you can watch Netflix Premium, or you can buy the premium version of Netflix with it. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy Netflix gift card. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.